Right. Next, third problem. So it is given that z of t equal to x of t convolved with h of t, and if c is a positive constant, note that c is given to be what? Positive. Okay, so choose the correct expression for z of ct. We have to choose the one of the choice. Okay, so but let us write down what is given. So it is given, we have a signal x of t whose Fourier transform is x of j omega. We assume this, and we have another signal h of t whose Fourier transform is h of j omega. So z of t is defined as what? X of t convolved with h of t. So this fellow will have what as Fourier transform? Z of j omega, which is equal to x of j omega multiplied with h of j omega. So that would be the Fourier transform of which signal? Z of t. Okay, now he is interested in finding Fourier, he is interested in finding Z of ct. So what will be the Fourier transform of Z of ct here? So Z of ct will have 1 by c. I should have put modulus of c, but it is given that c is positive, so it is enough that we put 1 by c. So 1 by c Z of j omega by c. Which property is that? Time scaling property. So this should be equal to how much? 1 by c. Z of j omega is x of j omega multiplied with h of j omega. So z of j omega by c means what? Wherever there is omega, replace with omega by c. You will get x of j omega by c multiplied with h of j omega by c. So to make our life simple, I will multiply and divide with c. So I will write this as c times 1 by c x of j omega by c multiplied with 1 by c h of j omega by c. You can easily see that this term and this term are same. Why? We are just multiplying and dividing with c. So both are same. But if you go into time domain, what happens? So if you go into time domain, what will happen here? So c will be there. Which signal will have 1 by c x of j omega by c as the Fourier transform? That would be x of ct. Okay, and which signal will have 1 by c h of j omega by c as the Fourier transform? H of ct. But these two Fourier transforms are getting multiplied, so what should happen in time domain? They should get convolved. So our z of ct is equal to how much? C times x of ct convolved with h of ct. So what is the correct choice here? C times x of ct convolved with h of ct. So choice A is the correct answer. Okay, right.